Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials, your Zwift email, password, and payment method. Once done, confirm whether you subscribed via Zwift, Apple, or Google because cancellation paths differ. Next, open Zwift, Com or the companion app and sign in. This places you at your account dashboard. Make sure to use the account that's billed. Double-check the billing email if you have multiple addresses. Now move straight to Account or My Subscription so you can see active plans and the cancel control. Once on your account page, find My Subscription or Billing and open it. This is where active plans are listed. If Zwift shows a direct recurring plan, click Cancel Subscription and follow the confirmation prompts. This prevents further charges but usually preserves access until the period ends. If your subscription is handled by Apple or Google, use that platform's subscriptions control to cancel instead, because Zwift cannot stop those payments. Make sure to note the final billing date. That tells you when access ends. Finish by verifying cancellation. Check your inbox for a confirmation email that lists the final billing date. Once confirmed, sign out and then sign back in to ensure the subscription status updated. If you still see an active charge after cancellation, collect receipts and timestamps, then contact Zwift support with that evidence. If your subscription was through Apple or Google, open your purchase history in that store and request a refund there. This is necessary because Zwift cannot reverse third-party charges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.